Yes, today we will learn about this control card. This is basically door operator, sectional door operator, this control card, and this 40 nm motor. As you can see, this 40 nm sectional door motor for the sectional door opening and closing. This is single phase power supply operating. We will learn today this wiring testing programming of this control card. So as you can see, I have taken power supply from power source and connected there you will have this L, and as you can see L first first connection you will have earthing, after that L, and L you will connect line and neutral, and UVW you will have 3 wire in this. Along with this motor, 3 wire, 1, 2 and 3. One wire will be the encoder wire. In this encoder wire you will have 4 wire, blue color, brown color and black color, and there is one yellow green, means for earthing. As same as it is, we will connect there UVW. In motor you will find the UVW, and another second wire is this is for limit wire, opening limit wire. As you can see in this connector, you will have that side, you can see common 5 volt and A. This is common. I have connected white color, here also white color connected in common, 5 volt black color and A green color, 5 volt red color and A green color. A means opening, and the same is common and close, CO and close. This is the white color, third wire you will have along with this control card. Third wire I have connected there, common and close. This is 3 wire we have to connect. One is for motor UVW, this is for open, this is for close, and the power supply. That's it. Just this connections has been done. Now we will do the programming. For the programming we have 3 buttons, as you can see: open button, close button and stop button. And there is one more button, emergency stop. If anything happens, you can emergency stop by this button. Now what we have to do, we have to press these 2 buttons simultaneously. If you will press these 2 buttons simultaneously, up and stop button, after 6 seconds, 7 seconds, you will have opening in the display, as you can see. Now you give the opening limits. Just take the motor to the opening. As you can see, the motor is moving to the opening directions. Take your motor to the opening limit, wherever your door is going to be open. Just take the motor from there to there. Suppose this is your opening limit. Just press the open stop button for the save opening limit. Now this is asking, as you can see, this is asking for closing limit. Now the down button you have to press for the closing limit, as you can see. Take your door to the close limit till the bottom, and once the close limit has been reached, just press this button for set the limit set. Okay, means limit has been set. Now you can check opening, means as you can see, this is opening. Closing. Now what we will do, a remote programming. As you can see we have remote. No, nothing, no program. We will do new program. In this control card, as you can see, there is one control card, and there you will find one button also in this control card. Just press the button until a red LED flash. Now just release this, and again at the same time press this button. LED will blink. Limit, yes, this remote has been programmed, as you can see now. I think this is already in close limit. We have the separate 4 button. This is for stop, and this is for open. If it is opening, you will press, nothing will happen. And this is for close. This is dummy. No, wait. Thank you.